In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for the Shein affiliate program as a complete beginner, step by step. We'll break everything down into simple, easy to follow steps so you can apply for the program, get approved, and start earning affiliate commissions without getting confused by the setup process. Here's what you can expect from this video. First, we'll create a CJ affiliate account and complete the registration process. Next, we'll verify our email, accept the required agreements, and finish setting up our publisher profile. Then, we'll add promotional properties, optimize our account information, and make our application more attractive to brands. After that, we'll search for Shein inside CJ Affiliate, submit our application, and understand what happens during the approval process. And finally, we'll access affiliate links, start promoting products, and track our performance from the CJ dashboard. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your browser and head over to the CJ Affiliate website. You can search for CJ Affiliate on Google or go directly to their website. Once you're on the homepage, click the Get Started button in the top right corner. You'll be presented with two options, Advertiser and Publisher. Since you'll be promoting products and earning commissions, select Publisher. Next, enter your basic account information. Choose your country, enter your email address, create a secure password, and complete the verification process. Once you've submitted the form, CJ Affiliate will send a verification email to your inbox. Open the email and click the verification link. This will take you back to CJ Affiliate so you can continue setting up your account. The next step is accepting the platform agreements. You'll see several terms and conditions that need to be reviewed before you can access the platform fully. Open each agreement, review it, and then accept the terms. Once you've completed all the required agreements, continue to your account dashboard. Now you'll arrive at the CJ Affiliate dashboard. Before applying to any affiliate programs, it's important to complete your profile properly. Start by clicking on the Complete Profile feature. Simply, you will be adding a short description about yourself and how you plan to promote affiliate products. Click on the Edit button to start writing and then explain whether about the platform you'll be using for the promotion. Keep it concise, but professional so brands understand your marketing approach. Then, click on Save. Next, navigate to the Account Information section and select Edit. Now, enter the required information and click on Save. Just like this, follow the on-screen steps and complete the verification of your account. Don't rush through these steps. A complete profile can significantly improve your chances of getting approved by advertisers. Once your profile and promotional properties are set up, you will be ready to apply for the Shein affiliate program. Click on the Partners tab at the top and select Find Advertisers. This will open a searchable database containing thousands of affiliate programs. In the search bar, type Shein and run the search. If you don't see any results, check the filter settings. Sometimes the filter is set to My Advertisers instead of All Advertisers. When Shein appears in the results, click on the listing to view more information about the program. To apply, simply click the Apply button. Your application will then be submitted for review. The approval process can vary depending on the advertiser. In some cases, approval may happen within a few hours, while other applications may take several days to review. And that's how to sign up for the Shein affiliate program as a complete beginner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.